tornillo, so I will demonstrate to you how to use the rod, small rod. But first, you need to connect the power bank. So it has a power supply from the power bank. So you just put on your in your pocket, then it has a button near the socket of the power bank. So you just press that. Make sure it's light on, and then you go to your tablet, to the tablet. You choose one software. So makikita ba? So you maybe the I'll choose GR Detect. So I already configured this one to be connected in the Bluetooth. Make sure the Bluetooth is on. So here you can see the Bluetooth. It's on. It's on. I already paired this one in the Bluetooth. So after I already paired, so you don't need to pair the Bluetooth. So in the GR Detect, you choose English. So you choose Titan Gear 1000. Then it will connect. It will find the device, and when it has a check, you can click next. Next, you can go zigzag, or either you can go you can go parallel. It means parallel, like here, parallel. After you finish the scanning, you can go back from the base. Then you step, you space, another space, then another step, maybe 10 step each line. Maybe you can set 3 steps at 3 lines. Then each line has 10 steps. So if you choose zigzag, make sure your rod is positioned. Don't twist anywhere. You just position. You go step by step. Then in zigzag, another space, you go back with the same spacing, like that, with the same space. Then that's the zigzag. Okay, you need to put up and down the rod, must be steady in a parallel. Then you go there, there. That's the zigzag pattern. So I'll show you the so we choose number of lines, 6 lines. Number of step per line, 6 step per line. So you can assume in feet, in per step, and per spacing of the line in feet, or you can assume half meter. If the item is too big, you think it's too big, it's better in a half meter spacing and step. But if you think the item is small, it's better in feet. It's like a net. So you can catch all the piece, something like that, if the net is smaller, if the item you are targeting is small. So next, you just press OK. So that is number of line 6, number of step 6. Press OK. Then you go to the to the so this color, you just press that one. It's trying to connect. You press that one, and it's trying to connect. Couldn't connect to the device. You wait until it's connect. So just wait. It's blinking. You can see it's finding the device. The tablet is finding the device. Trying to connect. We wait. Connected. Then you can start. So either you go automatic, so you can go back if you want to adjust. So like that, it's fine. Okay, trying to connect. If you go back, so it's trying to connect again. You can see it's blinking, the rod is blinking, then you try to connect again. Trying to connect. Connected. Okay. Then you press this one. So it don't blink already because it's connected. You press until the highlight appears. So where the highlights, that's the position you start. So like that. I'll show you. Maybe I step. One click, one step. One click, one step. Per foot, one click. And if it's go ahead in 2 clicks, then you just pass on another step because it's highlight 2 times. Then one click. If already 6, it will go from here if we choose parallel. But if you choose zigzag, start again from here going back. So like that. So you see, it's zigzag. You go to the position, you pass from the one is highlighted, then you click again, you wait, we click, then appear, another click, so you step, and until the 6th step is finished. Step, see, if don't appear, you press another step, then you start from here. Because it's another highlight, you pass, you step, don't appear, you just press again until it appear. Okay. So you get the sequence, so you get the logic of the operation. I will pass it over. Just press it.